How to cancel your subscriptions on your iPhone. Start by locating the Settings app. It's usually represented by a gear icon and can be found on your home screen. Once you've opened the Settings app, scroll down and look for your name or Apple ID at the top of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. After tapping on your name or Apple ID, you'll be directed to a new screen where you'll find various options related to your account. Look for and tap on the Subscriptions option. This will display a list of all the active subscriptions associated with your Apple ID. From the list of subscriptions, locate the one you want to cancel and tap on it. This will take you to a screen with details about the subscription, including options to manage it. As you can see, I don't have any subscription active on this phone, but you just need to follow the steps that I'm going to tell you here. On the subscription details screen, you should see an option that says Cancel Subscription. Tap on it to initiate the cancellation process. After tapping on Cancel Subscription, you may be asked to confirm your decision. Apple may also provide you with information. If you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to comment below, and I'll do my best to help you fix it.